You have $10,000 to spend on a car in America. Most people waste it. Today, I will show you the 5 best used cars that are actually worth your money. You have $10,000 to spend on a car in America. Used car prices in America have gone up. Number 1. The Toyota Corolla. This car is a legend. Millions of Americans drive it every single day. Why? Because it never breaks down. A well-maintained Corolla can easily cross 200,000 miles. Insurance is cheap. Repairs are cheap. Parts are available everywhere. If you want one car that will never give you problems, this is it. Budget pick. Look for a 2013 or 2014 model. You will find clean ones between $7,000 and $9,000. Number 2. The Honda Civic. If the Corolla is reliable, the Civic is reliable and fun. It has better handling, a sportier feel, and still amazing fuel economy. Honda engines are known to last for decades with basic maintenance. The 2013 and 2014 models are the sweet spot for this budget. Look for one with full service history. And always check the air conditioning on older Civics. That is the only common issue. Everything else on this car just works. Number 3. The Mazda 3. This one is for people who want a car that is reliable and enjoyable to drive. Mazda makes some of the most fun compact cars in the world. The steering is sharp, the engine is responsive, and the interior feels more premium than its price. A 2014 or 2015 Mazda 3 under $10,000 is a